Why don't senior citizens do Pilates standing up? Because they're worried they'd have a fit of laughter and balance out the energy in the room. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on standing Pilates for seniors. Tip 1. Start slow. It's important for seniors to start practicing standing Pilates slow and steady. Doing too much too quickly can lead to injury, so be sure to pace yourself. Start with simple exercises like heel raises, leg lifts, or toe taps. Slowly increase the duration and intensity of your workouts as you get stronger and more confident. Tip 2. Focus on form. Correct form is crucial in Pilates, and it's especially important for seniors to avoid straining or injuring themselves. Always prioritize quality of movement over quantity. Consider investing in a session or two with a certified Pilates instructor to ensure you're doing the exercises properly. Tip 3. Breathe. Breathing is an integral part of Pilates. Correct breath control can help seniors maintain their balance, reduce stress, and enhance their overall performance. It's essential to inhale during the easiest part of an exercise and exhale during the hardest. Tip 4. Use props. Props like a Pilates ball, resistance band, or chair can help seniors execute Pilates exercises more effectively and safely. They can assist in maintaining balance, enhancing flexibility, and supporting the body in challenging poses. Tip 5. Be consistent. Consistency is the key to reaping the full benefits of standing Pilates. It's best to create a regular workout schedule and stick to it. Tip 6. Prioritize balance and stability. Standing Pilates exercises require good balance and stability. Seniors can alleviate the risk of falls or injuries by integrating balance-enhancing exercises into their routines, such as leg lifts and heel raises. Tip 7. Apply modifications. Not all Pilates exercises may be suitable for seniors due to various health conditions or limited mobility. Therefore, it's crucial to apply modifications to exercises when necessary. Tip 8. Listen to your body. Seniors should always listen to their bodies during exercise. If a move is causing serious discomfort or pain, it's best to stop and consult a professional. It's crucial to avoid pushing too hard, causing more harm than good. Tip 9. Strengthen your core. Building a stronger core is essential in Pilates. Core stability exercises help improve balance, reduce back pain, and enhance overall physical performance. Tip 10. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated during workouts, especially standing Pilates, is crucial. Make sure to drink plenty of fluids before, during, and after your workout to prevent muscle cramps and lightheadedness. Tip 11. Have fun. Lastly, it's important not to view standing Pilates or any other exercise as a chore. Try to have fun during your workouts. Join a Pilates class at a local community center or gym, or consider doing Pilates at home with a DVD or online video.